Hey ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy again with your yard service, and today we're here on a property and we are doing a detailing and cleanup job after we had some massive snow mounts here coming down the last few days. Initial cleanup was all done. Now we're gonna do the scraping and the detailing of the edges, scraping off all the packed down snow from driving over it. So we are down to bare surface again, ready for the next storm. So as you can see, all this is packed down snow. The initial snowfall has been cleared off. Now we're gonna scrape off all the tracks here. Scrape it all off like that, so we have bare surface again. This is all loose already. This has to go all the way up over there. You're gonna use the snowblower for that, or the shovel. So get this out of the way and then sweep it off so we have a nice clean surface and safe again. This is how we treat properties here with your yard service. If you have any questions, let us know. So there you have it, guys. This is Rudy here with your yard service and Nick over there on the scraper. So we provide premier service for our clients here in Spruce Grove and Edmonton. If you have a property that needs proper snow and ice management over this winter, please let us know, 780-218-8134, or simply drop us an email, contact@euroyardservice.com. Have a beautiful winter and have a blissful day. Talk to you later. Bye. It's Rudy here with the Euro Yard Service.